exciting. They have been fighting to get in the playoffs for years, and now they're #1 in the league. He's always great. Like, I expect nothing less than his best, which he has performed all season long. I'm so excited. You are the king. I love you. Love you.
So there we have it. We just got off the maiden voyage of the Rangers shuttle, the playoff shuttle for the New York Rangers. Everybody is pumped about the Rangers being in the playoffs. It's a great day. So remember to get all your Rangers gear at GamedayGoods.com. Game Day Goods. We are sports gifts.